Hi friends, I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging or unboxing, I don't know which one to say, not just one but two Ipsy Glam Bag pluses, I think, right? Ipsy Glam Bag pluses. I accidentally didn't pause one of my accounts and I got two, but yeah, I'm going to show you guys both of my bags and try to figure out which one was better this month. So if you guys want to see with me what I got in my bags this month, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the Glam Bag Plus, retails for $28, I believe, something like that. I've been away from like reading stuff for so long, and you get 5 full-size beauty products with a really nice retail value. If you guys didn't know, I have an original account which I use the most, like my original Ipsy account, and I feel like that one is where I always review and like knows me the best, kind of. And then I had a second account for Glam Bag X months, which I haven't been getting the Glam Bag X, and I forgot to pause it, and I got that one. They sent me that one too, but I didn't pick anything for that. My original account, I picked my items myself, 3 out of my items, and I also, it's very customized to me because I review it so much. The other one is not, so they sent me a little bit more randomized items, so we're gonna see which one is better. Okay, so here's the original account. So the bag this month, I think is really cute. They do so many bags that I feel like I don't like judging them with the bags so much, because how many ideas for bags can you create? There's so many different styles that they've created already. I think it's cute. It's colorful. I know some people really don't like when it's too pink. I love pink, but I think it's colorful and just very cute. I like the little strings, I guess. I'm not sure what to call them, and it says bold moves only. Bold moves only. I think that's cute. I used a lot of these on vacation, like with my makeup. Okay, so again, adorable little bag. And let's get the card. The theme for Ipsy for March is Power Moves. March 2022 Power Moves. I remember the bag from last month, from last year. I still cannot believe it's been a whole year since that. The bag that had all the women on it. I cannot believe, for like International Women's Day, that it's actually been a whole year. It feels like 5 months maybe. Okay, so let's take a look in here. The first item here, I was kind of sad about. It's an awesome product, but I already own it, which happens because of these two accounts. I'll explain it in a minute. But the first item is the Violet Voss Windflower Fun Size Palette. This gorgeous, adorable, perfect size little palette that I already own and is one of my go-tos. I have videos on this. I think I have one video, like a tutorial on it, like an in-depth review, I should say. Really beautiful palette. Okay, so it retails for $18, and this is the one that I received in my bag. But I'm gonna show you guys my original one that I owned, because I don't want to open that, because I'm gonna try to find a way to give it away to someone. This is the one that I own. Very pretty, and you get a mirror. I love these fun size, I guess they call them fun size little palettes, because the size is so perfect. And you get 10 shadows in here, and that's what the color story looks like. I hope that you guys can see. I'm getting as close as I can. 10 shadows, and I'm gonna flip it over just in case the lighting covers one of these up. I know it happens sometimes, but you get a total of 10 shadows in here. You have a lot of neutrals, but some very pretty shimmers, and I feel like this is a very wearable palette. Believe it or not, I'm wearing it on my eyes today, and I did a very pink look. Didn't realize how pink it turned out, but I love that because it shows you that it's not just like brown. You have like a burgundy shimmer, very pretty pink shimmer, and a mauve color that looks almost brown, but it's actually pretty pink. Very, very nice. I do have a tutorial from a while ago, from I don't know how many months ago we got it, but it's somewhere on my channel. I'll link it below if you guys want to see that. But I used it on my eyes today. Just did a very soft, easy look, which is why I love this palette, because it's very wearable. And there are days that you don't feel like being creative and, I don't know, creating a super crazy, not crazy, but very intricate eyeshadow look. You just want something to look pretty in your eyes, or like open up your eyes a little bit, and this palette is really nice for that. So again, I said it's $18, and the way that I got this palette, I think I got it was on a Glam Bag X month. My original account, my Glam Bag Plus was paused so I could receive the X, and I received this in my second account. So I guess I hadn't gotten it through my original account. That's why they sent it to me. So I can't really fault Ipsy, But at the same time, I wish there was a way that they could keep track of if you have more than one account, so they don't send you multiple items, you know, because since I do have two accounts, it's happened more than once that I receive the same product twice. But either way, I'll try to get it to someone else. But I love it. I love it. If you got it in your bag, you're gonna love it. I love Violet Voss's formula. She has awesome eyeshadows and products overall. And enough about the palette. Let's get to the next item here. Let's see. Okay, the next product here is the Ona New York Brightening Eye Cream. Let's see if I can find that in here. A brightening eye cream. The packaging is really cute. I like that. It retails for $42. And it says here that make this anti-aging eye cream a regular in your routine to help turn back the clock. It combines powerful peptides with antioxidant-rich botanicals that helps plump, smooth, brighten, and protect skin from environmental aggressors. Gently tap a small amount around your eye area both morning and night. I need that. My eyes are tired. So the applicator I saw, and I love it. It looks so interesting. It looks really interesting, and I think I'll give that a go. So it's a brightening eye cream. I feel like I read it, and I never, like, I read sometimes and don't register what I read. And that happened to anybody else. So it helps to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Perfect. Puffiness and fine lines. Great for all skin types, even sensitive. I have dry skin, so sometimes my eyes get dry underneath my eye area, and makeup tends to crease sometimes. So I'm gonna give that a try. Sounds very promising, and retails for $42. And this is a full-size version. So let's see what's next in my bag. Okay, so the next item here is a makeup product. It's About Face by Halsey Light Lock Lip Gloss in Payton. Okay, so it's a lip gloss by About Face, which is Halsey's brand. I've gotten a few of their products through Ipsy before. I'm sure you have too if you subscribe to Ipsy. One of their highlighters, their packaging is beautiful. That's one thing about the brand that I feel like is very unforgettable, is how pretty the packaging is. Very like holographic. I don't know if I should use holographic, almost 3D, and very just pretty. So this retails for $20, and it's a gloss. And let's take a look. It looks like it's a bronzy color, but let's see if we actually get any kind of tint to it. And let me smell. Oh, it smells minty. I honestly don't really like minty glosses. That's just a personal preference. I prefer my glosses to have almost like a baked goods scent, or like vanilla. But it's minty, and it's actually very pretty though. So it's actually very pretty, and I feel like you do get a nice amount of pigment. Very bronzy. And it is it smells like it's very minty. Some people like that. I don't like that, but if I need a gloss, like it's an emergency, I'll use it. I don't mind. But again, I really like their packaging. Really cool. The next product in my bag is the Contently After All Scalp Soothing Care Treatment. I feel like, yeah, I chose this myself. So yeah, they chose the palette for me, obviously, and the eye cream. I chose the lip gloss, and I did choose this because I feel like I didn't have enough interesting products to choose from, but I thought it was a cool concept. I like receiving hair products, and let's take a look at this product. So, it says here that this is a leave-in nourishing and soothing treatment that helps relieve scalp irritation and hair thinning concerns. I do feel like I had hair thinning going on a couple years ago, and I'm still like getting, not, I guess, recuperating from it. Like my hair starting to grow. I have a 3-year-old son, and when I had him, yeah, I lost so much hair, and he used to actually, like when I was breastfeeding him, pull on my hair so much, and that habit lasted for a while. So for that reason, I felt like it was interesting to choose that product instead of the other items that I had the option of choosing. And it says to spray a moderate amount directly to the scalp, then massage the treatment throughout the scalp. So it sounds so easy and simple, and since I do feel like I lost some of my hair, sounds like why not spray a little something in your scalp to see what it does. It could work out. So I thought that it was a nice product to try out, since everything else didn't seem interesting. But yeah, I'll give that a try, and if I see any change, I'll let you guys know in the future. And that does retail for $18, and I feel like you're getting a lot of product in it. So it's nice that it's only $18 in case I love it and want to repurchase. Sometimes you get some products that are so expensive that it's not so smart to repurchase. So the last product in my box is a highlighter, I believe. It's in this little packaging here, and it is the Motd highlighting powder. What did I get? I feel like I got a bronzer. from Motd. What did I get from Motd before? I feel like I got in them through BoxyCharm too. This is a highlighting powder and something magical. So this looks like it's maybe goldish looking highlighter. So this is the little palette, really cute. And yeah, it's like a gold looking highlighter. I prefer my highlighters to be a little bit lighter, but I see myself getting some use out of this. Why not? Let's swatch. Ooh. It is really pretty. I feel like that's a really nice highlighter for days that I don't want something super blinding. So it's actually not as gold as I initially thought. So that's really pretty. Overall, that's the last product. What I got in this box: highlighter palette that I already own, but that's fine. Lip gloss, a hair thinning spray, and an eye cream. Not bad at all. Now let's take a look at the second bag. Okay, so let's see what's in my second bag. Right here. First product I already got, but through BoxyCharm, not Ipsy. And it's the Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush by Alley-Oop. But I do feel like brushes is fine to have like focus. It's fine to have multiple of the same brush. So I don't mind this. This is a really cool product, really cool concept, and I don't mind having a second product of it. It's a 4-in-1 multitasker brush, so it has like a little sponge on top, I guess, to apply your I would do concealer. Then you have this like eyeshadow brush, which is really nice and soft and very attached to it here, and then you unscrew it or screw it back on. Then when you open this big brush up, you have this one, which is supposed to be for your brows, but I use these kinds of like angled brushes also to apply liner with shadow. It's really cool, but you could also use it for your eyebrows or to even clean up under your brows with some concealer. So you get 4-in-1, duh. And then this looks like it's for maybe bronzer, but I guess you could do any kind of powder with it. It's very fluffy, and it looks like it gets bigger and bigger. Like it's not as small as it looks. So I think this is a really, really cool concept and a very nice product to maybe travel with if you don't want to take too many products with you, too many brushes with you. And it retails for $28. And like I said, I got one through BoxyCharm, but I don't mind that I received the second one through Ipsy. I like getting into like unique products, but at the same time, if I end up loving this, I have two of them. So that's cool. And let's see what's next. I got the same highlighter. I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's the same. Yeah, the Motd Cosmetics highlighter. So it is the same highlighter. So I'll give it away to someone. I don't know. It's annoying, actually. I get it. It's a second account. I have the second account. But I know by now they know people have multiple accounts. And I don't know. It just really annoys me that I got two products already that I already owned. Actually 3 if I count the BoxyCharm brush, and technically Ipsy owns BoxyCharm now, so I also blame them. You know, I don't want to blame them, but they're kind of responsible for all those duplicate products. Okay, fine. Next, one thing they need to update too is their app, because I don't know if you guys have ever used the Ipsy app, but like there's no back button, so you have to like start the page from scratch. If you like open a product to read their info on it and then you want to see the next one, you can't just go like back. You have to start over, and that's really annoying, but whatever. Next is another lip gloss. It's the same lip gloss. Oh, see, I haven't looked at this one. So again, my original bag, I picked 3 out of those 5 products myself, so I customized that one. This one I forgot about, and I didn't even check the email that told me to go ahead and pick some products. So they picked everything for me, and it's the same basically. So the same gloss that I just showed you guys, I got the same one here, that gold looking gloss. So I'll give that away too, but that's kind of sad because I paid for it. I wanted to get products that I would love. Oh, the next product here is cool though. It's the Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow in Gold Mine. Really cute packaging. It's a liquid shadow. I actually like liquid shadows. I haven't used liquid shadow in so long. Maybe I'll give this one a go. It's very gold. I feel like it's very, very I don't know if I should say out there, but very noticeable. Let's swatch it. Ooh, yeah. Like it's a very yellow gold. Almost, I don't know. I'm not good at describing colors. So that's what it looks like. It looks almost like mustard. I don't know if you're getting it. getting what I'm getting. Let me kind of spread it. So very gold, but almost like very yellow. But I can give that a go someday that I want to use gold. Today's not the day. I don't want gold today on my eyes, but there's some days that I really love gold. I do love gold eyeshadow every now and then, so that's nice to own in case if I ever have a day that I just need gold eyeshadow, I know I have this one to go to. And then I have, oh, that's so sad, the last product already. I feel like I'm missing products. The Wonder Beauty Staycation Hydrating Mask. I got this from my original account and haven't used it yet. So it's a minimum effort, maximum results mask. Hydrating mask. Okay. That's what it looks like. I haven't tried the other one yet, but I did already own this too. So overall, in this one, I got a face mask. Let me just tell you what I got and judge it first without including the other products from the other bag. I got a hydrating mask, Alley-oop 4-in-1 multitasker brush, About Face gloss, gold liquid eyeshadow, and a highlighter. Is that it? Yeah, so that's a bag that was not customized. So that's to give you an idea. This was a bag that Ipsy chose everything for me, and I don't think it's bad. It's not bad if I hadn't gotten all these products already, most of them. It's not a bad group of products together, but it's just that I already have this. I said I could reuse it, but I haven't even tried the other one, so I don't know if I'm gonna love it. The highlighter I already own, and the gloss. Oh my gosh, and the mask. But I'm gonna be positive about it. I'll maybe give it away to some family members who could use it. I do have some family members who will love some of these products, but overall I don't think it was a bad bag of products that they chose for me. I just wish there was a way for them to keep track of people who have multiple accounts so that we don't get repeat products. So these are my two bags. Overall, I got good choices. It wasn't my favorite month, I'll be 100% honest with you guys, but it wasn't bad either, but it wasn't my favorite month. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of my little unboxing / unbagging for today. I hope you're all having a lovely day. Let me know in the comments, what did you guys get in your Glam Bag Pluses this month? How did you feel about Ipsy for the month of March? But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.